Artificial intelligence is changing our world. It's in our phones, our homes, and even our cars. AI helps us do our jobs faster. It helps us find information quickly. And now, AI is making our roads safer with AI dash cams. These smart cameras are not like the old dash cams. They do much more than just record accidents. These new AI dash cams can actually help prevent crashes. They use the power of AI to understand what's happening on the road in real time. This means they can see danger before it happens, and they can warn the driver. Think of it like this. AI dash cams are like having a co-pilot in your car. They're always watching the road. They are always looking for danger, and they are always ready to help you stay safe. AI dash cams have special features that make them different from regular dash cams. One key feature is real-time alerts. These alerts are warnings that the dash cam gives to the driver. For example, the AI dash cam might see a car braking hard in front of you. It can warn you to brake too, even before you see the danger. This can help you avoid a crash. Another important feature is advanced analytics. AI dash cams can record lots of data about your driving. They can track your speed, your braking, and even your lane changes. This data can then be used to give you feedback on your driving. This can help you become a safer driver. AI dash cams use some amazing technology to keep you safe. First, they have high-definition cameras. These cameras record everything that's happening on the road. Next, the AI dash cam uses image processing. This is where the AI comes in. The AI looks at the images from the camera. It can recognize objects like cars, trucks, and pedestrians. It can also understand how these objects are moving. If the AI detects a potential hazard, it will send an alert to the driver. This alert could be a sound, a visual warning on the dash cam screen, or even a vibration on your phone. The AI dash cam also records all of this information. So, if there is an accident, you have evidence of what happened. This can be very helpful for insurance purposes. AI dash cams are just the beginning. In the future, we can expect to see even more AI in our cars. Some cars already have features like lane departure warnings and automatic emergency braking. These features are powered by AI, and they are already making our roads safer. However, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed. One challenge is reliability. AI systems need to be very reliable. We need to be sure that they will work correctly all the time. Another challenge is security. AI systems can be vulnerable to hacking. We need to make sure that our cars are protected from cyber attacks. Even with these challenges, the future of AI driving is very exciting. Thank you for watching AI Tech Beat. Check the description for a comprehensive article with more details. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe.